the door. This is the car that we're working on today. Luckily, this one we just installed one on a BMW and we didn't have the right tools. But this one, at least we have the right tools. And this one should be really easy, hopefully. I think he's about to whip out the wash because, oh, he got some Hershey chocolates right there. These are up on wood blocks, but this is the stock height where it's at. Honestly, the Subi stock height isn't that bad. It's like a 3-finger gap compared to most cars. Watch, let's see where mine's at. Psych, mine's like a 4-finger gap. Holy fuck. Yeah, let's see what's up, bro. Ready? This is like the best time for us to do it because it's about to get like 105, 106. It's like 90s right now. It's hot. Pumping it. This is what we're installing today. His BC Extreme Low Series coilovers. These are the ones that I want on my CB2 if I were to go for a set of coilovers. And then his LCAs too are also here. Trying to go square setup because that's the best way to go. Since we're in here too, might as well clean the wheel well because that shit gets hella dirty. So for the people who don't know, bro, tell them what to do.
So my year is 15 to 17 WX. For the fronts, you have this line right here just with a clip. Use some pliers to pinch it, pull it right out. This side, the brake line, bolted in by 12 mil. Take that bolt out, remove that before you pull and tug on anything. And you got these two right here. I believe they're 19s. Take those both off. It'll fall right off the knuckle and the hub and everything will come off. Go right up top to the top hat, and then we got 3, I believe they're 12 as well, up top.
All in all, Japanese cars are actually really simple to work on.
Just like that, man, it's out.
Dude, that was so easy.
And for any of you guys that didn't know, this top bolt is kind of like a camera bolt. See how it's kind of shaped like
oh shit,
a little weird?
Oh yeah.
But like this is OEM, so it only does it just barely. So if you were to go super low, you'll need like the top hats where you can adjust the camera up top.
Oh yeah, like
if you go low, yeah.
If you don't know what he's talking about this right here at the top hat. They have it right here at the top. You have to adjust these for your camber. Opposed to this one where you can't see it, doesn't have it. I'll hold the strut just in case because it probably will fall down. That's low-key heavy.
I'll grab it.
Damn, compare that to the new one.
Stock.
So that's the front left.
That stock shit.
What? Dude, that's fucking huge. Like, I'm on a wide angle, so like it doesn't like really show in perspective. That's how huge this is. And I think just right here, basing off the difference, what, that's like 2, maybe 3 inches. And the best part is that none of the homies actually know what he got yet. So they're gonna get hit pretty hard.
Well, actually, the ones who follow me on my car page. So
yeah, you need to follow his car page.
Pure.red.wr.
I'll put that right here. So right now, we're just gonna throw it in, see where it's at, and adjust from there. And then from there, we'll adjust all the other ones.
2 other ones.
You know what we should do too if we finish like pretty early? We should go take pics. Especially for like, I noticed too on my phone, I don't have enough individual pictures. For like, yeah.
But yeah, you need to get a lot for your own.
Yeah, especially for the pages, trying to get the followers at WR Blue Pat on my Instagram. See, this is so easy. He doesn't even need me. I'm just here to fucking for the vibe.
Contact, but I did lose a bull.
Oh no. We lost the third one. It's somewhere in here. Somewhere in the engine bay.
A magic tool.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Silly speed. They have a good ass YouTube video.
For this one here, there's not too many videos. As soon as I start getting parts, I'm gonna try making more in-depth videos for you guys to watch on YouTube. I should be getting coilovers. Can't say yet, but I should be getting some coilovers. Oh, we're right there. Actually push it in. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's so easy.
We're in.
So the left BC coil is installed. All you have to do is just do that same process on the right side, and then I'll meet you guys back when we get to the rears. See where it's at right now, just where, basing off the strut difference, we haven't adjusted anything yet. Dude, I think it's actually gonna look good. Right there.
Good?
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me if I need to stop, right?
Oh, you have a lot of room.
Oh, where am I at?
Lower, but you could go. You could go lower. I think with the spacers, bro, you could go like half an inch more. I think with the spacers though, if you take them off, you can go lower. But other than that, yeah, you're gonna have to wear your fenders.
My fenders, yeah. There's no way I'm gonna be able to clear. It's right there. If I take off my spacers, I'm going lower.
Yeah, you can, big time. Unless you're gonna leave it where it's at right now.
So, just for now, see if it settles anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably the best bet. Cause it is compared to the rears. Cause this is where his stock height was at.
Yeah, that's the rear. And usually the rear is lower.
Yeah. It went from a 3-finger to like yeah, to 1. It's a good height though.
Let me take that back.
The fronts are done. It's gonna flip the car around so we can do the rears in the shade. Uh-oh. Oh, you barely cleared it. No way. So the video didn't catch it, but when he rolled out, but then we don't know where it's leaking from. Maybe I'll catch it splash. Right there. Right there?
Right there?
Yeah. Oh, that was fast.
On?
Yeah, you're on. I'm on. Guys, that's for the knuckle, the coil, the sway bar link, and then, yeah, to the subframe.
And they're all 17, 17, 17. And then this one's a 14.
Boom, that swings down. Last one right here. Boom. So these are his new adjustable ones.
Which is all just this. Unless you get the other upgraded ones that are like 600. And you have the thread on this side where you can fine tune the
Oh, like for like where it has like those three like, same how like coils and shit are.
Yeah.
Yo, look how tiny these end links are. On the BMW, the one that the end links were almost the size of the LCA. Like this is like a tiny end link. Yeah.
But again, his link was right on his.
Yeah.
Or his coil.
That's the weird about BMWs. Their end links connect to their struts.
Our sway bars, though, if we would hit different ones, would be way thicker. Way thicker.
Yeah.
Pull it out. Can you pull it out?
Yeah. There it is.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up top and I'll bolt it in. Ready? You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Is there both in?
Yeah, there's bolts on the top of that. My bad.
Oh shit! Oh, we forgot to take off the top hat bolts. There we go. So what's the torque specs for all of these? Right now you're doing the end link.
End link. Bro, I totally forgot. I have to look at my phone.
He'll send me it, and I'm gonna link all that in the description, so all you guys can check that out for you 2015 and up WRX only.
88.5 though. This one, and then the subframe.
These three are 88.5.
You're gonna see this one's.
End link, I'd have to, if I find it, I'll put it right here at the top. Okay, so this side's done. It's just the same thing again on this side. So nothing too crazy. So about an hour and a half later, we managed to get the LCAs on. Took it on and off like 4 or 5 times.
That's just me though, just like fucking wanting to get that shit right.
But that's cool though, because this is his daily. It being a daily, you want to make sure everything is straight.
Cool, yeah, for real.
Ooh.
Hold on. I'm not all the way off it.
Ooh. But dude, that looks pretty good. Are you gonna adjust the height? I think honestly, bro, I think you might be straight for now until. Well, cause if you feel it, if you go like a little bit lower, you're gonna hit your fender. Once you get your spacers out. I mean, it looks good like that though. You can tell it's lower. You're good. So we're probably gonna call this a day after we go test drive this. We're gonna head to the station right now and get some quench thirsters. That cleared easy, bro.
Did it? Cool. Now we just have to find out where I can and cannot clear. Yeah, open that shit up. Oh shit, you're good. Keep going.
You go straight. Or not. Kinda
Oh,
looks like Nicole.
yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's Nicole. What the fuck? I'm not gonna hit this one only because it's hell deep.
Yeah.
And I want to drive it a little bit just to see if it's feeling any shaking or anything like that. Yo, I feel like it's fucked up.
Is it? How does it feel?
See my traction is coming off, bro.
Right there, huh? I just feel like it slid out a little bit.
Do you feel anything that is like?
I noticed when you turn right there, that hard, how hard you turn, I could feel like the rear end kick out a little bit more.
Yeah.
I feel like that turns a lot easier for some reason.
It turns out like it's way more touchy.
Yeah. I mean, I've never driven your car like that, but like. Ooh. Ooh, that was a bad scrape. Thank you.
We're gonna go check it for test drive.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Put that in the bag. I'm drinking, what flavor it is?
Is it?
That's a white cherry.
Let me know how that one tastes.
I'm pretty sure.
Because then they used to have a white one before, but has it always been
I think it was what flavor it was. Like it was a mystery flavor.
Yeah, mystery flavor. Oh yeah.
Fuck, I hit some spot right now, bro.
Real.
I hit some spot. Hey, show me your shift now, bro.
Out here, bro.
Ooh, that shit's crazy with the matching button right there.
Got to.
So you guys are looking for that?
Yeah, definitely check them
the
out.
at right here.
Yeah, likewise.
At likewise.
It feels, I don't know if it makes sense. It feels better than stock, but it rides just as good, if not better.
Like the way, like
Like the, yeah, it bounces. Yeah, I get that.
oh, that was a lot of car. Was that living or was that
Screeching.
yeah? Were you rubbing or something?
Maybe it's just because I need to get used to the feel of the ride.
That's true too.
Because I've never had any legit coilover, so I don't know exactly what to expect.
I think it was your back rear, like your left side, and whenever we took that right turn. Yeah, on the liner.
On the fender. Like if I were to be rolled, they wouldn't have touched.
I think that's gonna be it for today. And then I'll come back for an update, most likely tomorrow, and we'll have a more in-depth what to do and assess everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow.